Welcome to Magitudes. Here's how to assign roles on Discord on a Mac or a PC. Assigning roles on Discord on a Mac or a PC is actually very easy, and there are numerous ways you can get that done. First of all, if you are in a chat room, let's say here I'm on my Linguaholic language learning server and I'm now here in the general discussion chat, all you need to do to assign a role to someone is to click on the name of the person you would like to assign the role to, and then just click here on that plus symbol, and now all of your roles will pop up in a new window, and you can also search for a specific role here. And once you have found the role that you would like to assign, simply click on it and it will be directly assigned to that person. Another way to assign roles on Discord on a Mac or PC is to actually click on the name here on the right side where you usually have the user list, and there it's the same thing, just click on the name and after that click here on the plus symbol and you will be able to assign roles just like that. Now, last but not least, there is yet another easy way to assign roles on Discord. To do so, click here on that down arrow next to the server's name and then go into server settings. Now scroll down here a little bit and then simply click on members. You will now have a list with all the members on your server. Now, you either browse through the list of those members to find the member that you would like to assign a role to. You can also use the search field here instead, and there you could just type in the name of a certain member. And now, if you would like to assign a role to the member through MLG Pro, for example, you would click here where it says +8 because this person already has a lot of roles. But when you click on that here, you will see all the roles, and at the end you will have this plus symbol. So to assign yet another role, simply click on that plus symbol and you will be able to choose a new role to assign to that specific member. Now, for members who don't have a lot of roles, it won't say something like +4 or +8 or whatever. You will simply see a plus symbol here, and if that is the case, you can just click on that plus here directly, and after that choose the role that you would like to assign and you're good to go. That's it, guys, how to assign roles on Discord on a PC or Mac. If this tutorial indeed solved your problem, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.